Hello everyone. Last time you saw me, you knew me as Dr. Ben. Actually, I'm not a doctor as of yet. I'm going to school at Life West Chiropractic to get my doctorate in chiropractic. My main focus is the study of the nervous system and how to utilize the body and brain connection to make you well. So last time I talked, I had a limited amount of time, so I couldn't go much into detail of the diagrams on the wall. So I'd just like to take a few minutes to go in more depth about what we were talking about. So, last you saw, I drew a picture of the brain and a picture of a muscle fiber. And the brain and the body are connected by nerves. Straight down, the muscle sends signals to the brain to turn on, and the brain sends out a signal back down in order for the muscle to activate. What I was not able to get into was that not only are muscle fibers connected through this system, but nerves connect everything in our body together. We have nerves that come out and connect to organs, such as stomach. More nerves come out to the heart. And as such, we also have nerves that are connected to our skin. Just imagine this is a little skin fiber. Again, not the best drawer in the world. This is important to understand because this connection, this brain to body connection, is what makes all these organs, all these muscles, and our skin function properly. So if we have a bad connection down this line, it's going to be harder for our brain to communicate to let our bodies know how fast our heart needs to beat, or how much stomach acid we need to produce in the body. We talked about muscle tone, how to make sure our muscles activate. Even when it comes to skin rashes, skin diseases, not everything is caused by nervous system dysfunction, but if the nervous system is not functioning at optimal capacity, it's going to put more stress on the brain and make it have to work harder for everything else to work. So, how does this correlate with what I do as a chiropractor? Well, as you see, there's one main passageway where all these nerves intersect. And these are only a couple nerve pathways. There's hundreds, thousands in the body. But they all go through this pathway. And what's the association between them all? This right here is our spine, a crude drawing of the spine. They all run through our spine. And some of you may know, these little discs, these squishy things, these are the discs that allow motion in our spine. So all these nerves come out. All sorts of nerves come, but they intersect and go up through our spinal column. And it is when we have good motion and good posture, good segmentation between all these bones and discs, that our nerves have good transmission to the rest of our body. So that's why we adjust. This is why we use the spinal column as our main source to affect all these nerves. So let's say you get into an automobile accident. Let's say you have a lot of arthritis in one of these discs. It can impinge upon these nerve pathways and cause dysfunction in the nerve brain to body connection. And again, the brain has to work harder, it's more stressed, and it's not working at maximum potential. So this system, it's not going to solve everything. If you have a heart palpitation, you should always go to the emergency room and get it checked out. But if you want to prolong your health and focus on wellness and longevity and be proactive, you should always think about, is my nervous system working at 100%? Could there be something going on in my spine or my body that's causing me dysfunction? So you're going to see future videos where I go deeper into what may or may not cause this, and how to prevent it, and how to take care of yourself in the long term. And not just wait until an emergency happens where you need to rush to the hospital for a very extreme cause of action. Preventive health is the future, and that's what we aim to accomplish. Thank you for your time. I'm Dr. Ben in the future, and I hope for you to watch more videos that I produce. Thank you.